Hi everyone, what's going on? It's Gabriel here from Cash Clicks, and in today's video we're going to be talking about what happened in the stock market today, and more specifically what happened with AMC stock. But before we do that, please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Helps me out massively and I'd really appreciate it. So let's jump into it. So those who are watching it today, we all know that today was a bad day for AMC Entertainment Holdings stock. Doesn't take a genius to work it out. Everyone knows it was a bad day for the AMC market. And let's just look at a few statistics and figures and numbers to now. So what happened today? So we had a minus 20.0% change and we were down 1.78 points, and we had a low of $7 and a high of $8.75. And yeah, let's be transparent, guys. You know, and I know today wasn't a great day. But having said that, I've touched on this on my previous video. After yesterday being such a good day and us being in the green, showing great buying resistance and finishing the day strongly on a green day is a great day as far as I'm concerned, and I knew we were going to be exposed to short ladder attacks and heavy shorting from hedge funds and brokerages, because they'll be looking at the statistics from yesterday, and obviously that they'll be quite concerned about that, hence why we had quite a lot of heavy shorting today, as you can tell by the downwards trend. But if we go on to the candlestick formation, as you can tell as well, it was a negative correlation, literally just signs of a heavy shorting attack by all these hedge funds. And I knew this was going to happen, like I say, after having such a good day today. And as well, you can see from the bars, these are big shorts as well. They're not like small ones. The distance between the points are too big, so obviously this shows that they're big shorts. And obviously it's not just shorting, people would have been selling, but obviously more so people were definitely exposed to shorting today, like I was as well. So let's just be transparent about that. So if I change it back to the area, so what does that leave us now with? So if you're watching this, you're probably either holding on to shares or you're buying in the dips today. For those who still don't know what to do, me personally, I'm going to hold, because I've been too invested in this stock now, and I'm not just going to sell at a really low price and just lose a lot of money for no reason. Personally, I feel in terms of price, the stock can go from $20 to $25 when everything bounces back. I don't believe AMC Entertainment Holdings stock is a $7 stock at all. I feel like that's a cheap price anyway. A lot of people were telling to invest at $4 for a long-term investment, so we're at $7 now. So although there's been a lot of hype about a squeeze and stuff, and hopefully it might happen, who knows, but at $7 AMC stock, that's still cheap. So I wouldn't sell at this low price point. I definitely feel like the market will recover, and I definitely feel like it can go up to $20 to $25 for sure. And so you've got two options: you either sell and lose a lot of money, and basically all this was for nothing, apart if you got from the stock really cheap months ago, which I doubt. More of this is more of a hype thing, and or you hold, and if you still have obviously capital, buying the dips. But if you don't, I'll just hold and wait for the market to recover. That's what I'm going to do. I'm definitely not going to sell at a loss. There's been a few investments, like I touched on my other videos, to Barstool 700k and BlackRock doubled down in their investment. So these were all positive things. And after yesterday, there was a lot of buying retention, and that was real good signs, to be honest, guys. That was great, and this is why it doesn't make sense that if you go back onto the candlesticks again, this huge downwards correlation and negative correlation, this downward spiral. We were exposed to heavy shorting today, and I know that for sure, because after looking at the figures and facts yesterday, amount of buys and sells, there was so many buys, obviously at different price points, but it outweighed the shorts and the selling. So this isn't like an organic fall. I appreciate people would have sold and stuff like that, but not today. We were exposed heavily to shorting. So yeah, I still feel like the stock will bounce back. Obviously we took a hit today, but that's what it is. Let's be transparent. But I definitely wouldn't sell at a $7 loss. I want to get that across because I feel like that's a really cheap price for the stock. Obviously AMC cinemas and theatres are opening up again at 25% capacity, and obviously once that opens up at bigger capacities, more areas are opening, just going to drive more revenue and capital behind the stock. And the CEO said there's no chance of bankruptcy now, so obviously you're not going to lose all your investment if you think it's going to drop below $1, which I've seen circulate online, which I don't feel like is an actual true reflection of AMC stock. So yeah, so let's summarize. So overall, you've got two options: you either sell and make a big loss, or you hold and wait for the stock to recover. I'm definitely holding, and hopefully the stock will bounce back. There's too many buyers, and I feel like there's a lot of people still willing to wait out and hold the stock. So if you want to be a bit more patient, keep a bit more faith, and we'll definitely see this stock, I feel, reach $20 to $25. Thanks for listening, and I'll speak tomorrow.